Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to withdraw money from Whop. So first of all, you can see we already create an Whop account in here, and this is our Whop account, and this is chatting interface where you can see this on the chatting interface, and here we can communicate with our friends and colleague over that place. So if we earn something from that place, we need to be go over our profile icon. So here you can see in the last of the menu bar you will find out profile option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you will find out the balance option. Here you can see how much money do you earn from Whop. You are allowed to check it here. So here you can see we have available to pay out to your bank. It's 0 right now. Available to pay out soon, it's also 0. So we don't even earn any penny over Whop right now. That's why we are not allowed to show any penny here. But if you want to withdraw your deposit or your money, then you need to be go on the payment method. You can see first of all they are giving us warning, that is set up your payment accounts to get paid first. So here you need to be go on payment method, and now you need to be add payment method over there. So here you need to be paste your card number, then expire date, CVC, and your card full name, country or region, and address line. After completing this form, you need to be click on save. Once you click over here, now you are allowed to withdraw your money. Once you completely set up your payment method, then you will get allowed to access this button, withdraw through bank. So once you click over here, they will give you the option to withdraw your money. So the process is really simple. I try my best to make a quick tutorial on it. I hope you love this video, and if you think this is really informative video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.